Good morning, my green buddies. I am standing next to a plant which is famous for its unique flower. Yes, you guessed it right. This is the Calliandra or the powder puff plant. Calliandra is a species of widely popular tropical ornamental plants that consists of about 200 species of small trees and evergreen flowering shrubs. One of the most popular varieties of Calliandra, commonly known as a powder puff tree, is native to South America. Powder puffs grow up to 10 feet tall with an equal spread, but dwarf 3 to 6 foot varieties are also available. These dwarfs are extremely wonderful summer plants. These hardy small trees branch out wide with very attractive leaves. These red-colored seasonal bloomers are quite easy to grow. Powder puff plants can also be propagated with stem tip cuttings taken during the spring months. Just take nice twigs with buds, dip an inch in rooting enzyme and plug it in the soil. Calliandras grow and flower best if they are grown in full sun, but they tolerate some partial shade, especially in hot summer months. Putting the planters under nets in summer months is advisable. They should be planted in reasonably fertile, moist but well-drained soil. They should be watered evenly during the summer months. So go ahead and grow this unique flower in your gardens. Please subscribe, like and share our posts using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.